Today's health hack is all about getting moving successfully. Check this out. Running is a great healthy habit to get into. The National Institutes of Health say it can help you maintain a healthy body weight and reduce your risk of cardiovascular disease. So here's 3 tips to help set you up for a good run. First, take some time to warm up and stretch. It's important for injury prevention. And if your muscles are warm, you'll get a better workout. Switch. Next, make sure you're mixing up your runs, whether you're checking out new scenery or switching it up between outside and the treadmill. If you have something new to look forward to, you're more likely to keep running. And finally, pay attention to your body. If something feels off, stop. Then assess what's going on and continue on at your own pace. There you have it. With these 3 tips, you'll be on the path to some really good runs. For more health hacks, head to our website, livinghealthytv.com.